IM joint is a saddle joint. And can you see the IS joint, this one, the second one is the ball and socket joint. The answer is basal cell carcinoma, also called as rodent ulcer. This is a visual question of your exam as well. This is SNHL, both AC, BC poor, and this curve is called rising audiogram. Let me make you revise one more time. Larynx is lined by ciliated columnar epithelium, except vocal cord, which are lined by stratified squamous epithelium. So, Rhinosporidium seabrai is aquatic protozoa. It is found in the pond water. Inverted papilloma, they were smooth surface. This is typically irregular surface, just like a mulberry or strawberry like this. You must have seen mulberries or strawberries, and their surface is quite, corrugated or granular kind of thing. This one, beta. Rene negative is seen in conductive hearing loss. Don't forget it. Beta. Rene negative means conductive hearing loss. Now, Weber is heard in normal people, center of the forehead. Remember, in conductive hearing loss, in the poor ear. Very good, poor ear. Diabetic ketoacidosis patient or COVID-19 patient with something black in the nose or something black around the nose is 100% mucormycosis question. So, black is the hallmark of the late stage. What to remember in the black color is, number one, blackish nasal mass, and number two, blackish discoloration around the eye. Okay. Now, which is different from the coin, very simply, it will be having double ring shadow. Double ring shadow.